Hey everyone, today we have a super simple video installing additional RAM on my desktop computer. This is basically the last piece of the puzzle for this computer here. So as always, disconnect your desktop from power after you properly shut it down. Disconnect all peripherals, open up the case, make sure that you don't have any static electricity on your hands, and install the part. So you want to make sure that these notches line up on your RAM slot. Thankfully, I've got writing on mine that I can line up here. So we're just going to slide this in. All right, we're in. One piece, the last piece will go in right here. All right, so now I've got 4 8-gig sticks, so I've got 32 gigs of RAM. So you can see in the top right corner, my RAM was 16 gigs, and you can see what was available versus what was being used. Now when I get out of that, this is my current setup. After the addition of RAM, I doubled it to 32 gigs. So currently I'm using a little extra versus my photo, but I still have a lot free. And then you can see in this photo here, my RAM is all green because I have it set up to display green for when the temperature of my processor is normal, yellow if it's starting to get warm, and red if it gets hot. So it's always a good thing to see it green. As always, thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.